Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of mine, and today I'm going to be answering all the questions that you guys may have had in this video up here, and explaining what you might be doing wrong. And I will tell you right now, it doesn't matter how powerful your PC is or how bad it is, you can still stream using it unless it's unbelievably old, like 10 plus years old, and it can barely run Google Chrome. It will be able to do this. So I will be explaining all of these questions in detail on how to stream using Streamlabs from your Xbox with a PC with no capture card. Anyways, let's roll it. Alright, so I'm going to be starting here using this, and I'm going to be answering the question, how do you use like media captures, Windows captures and game captures and all that stuff using the Xbox app? And I will explain that right now. Alright, so once you bring up your streaming thing for your Xbox app from your stream from your Xbox to your PC, what you want to do is you want to come up to here and you want to minimize this. You want to bring it out over here and then stretch it out all the way as far down as you can without touching the bottom and expanding. And then, why does it do that? So you want them to bring this out to about there, then just pull it down here, click on this one, and then you're going to want to open this and go to game capture. So you don't want to use a window capture. I've tried it with window capture and it doesn't work. So so this is my preset one, but I'll use a new one instead to show you. So I'll add that, and you go to here and you select capture specific window option, and then you pick your option, which mine will be the Xbox companion app, and then you just press done. As you will see, it will come up not fully the size you want it, so you bring it up to here. And see, now that that fits there, that is how you do it. And that way you can also have your stream open, so like I can see everything here. I can have my chat out open there whilst playing Xbox. Over here I can check back, I've got my chat, I can see if everything's running smoothly. I can check drop frames, I can check how everything is running in the stream, and that is the better way to do it. Okay, so this next one is, how powerful does my PC exactly have to be for this? The PC really doesn't have to be that powerful. My last one was 8 gigabytes of RAM, like 100 and something SSD. I know, it really wasn't powerful, it was awful. So I can almost guarantee on any PC, as long as you've done it right, you've got your settings right, it will work. So another one I have received, is it possible to stream with and use your phone as a camera? I'm going to be completely honest here, I'm not 110% sure, I've never tried anything like that, but if you would like me to play around with some stuff, have a look, let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to help you guys. Alrighty, so those are some of the questions that you guys have been asking on that video, and I'm so glad it's helped so many of you guys, and I hope this one helps even more for any questions you may have had on it, and all that sort of stuff, and I really hope this helped. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. If you got to this point, comment potato in the comments so I know, followed by any other questions you may have about streaming in general. And I will have a video out soon on how to grow your Twitch, Mixer, or your streaming channel in general. So anyway guys, leave a follow, it's a subscribe, leave a subscribe. Like the video and stay tuned for more with that notification bells. Bye bye.